Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, what I eat in a day, weight updates, grocery hauls, meal plan, meal prep, you name it. Keto related, I do it. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I love when you get the clickies. I got yelled at for not saying it. I didn't get yelled at, but you guys said, yes, you say it, so I'm saying it. Today is Thursday, and I'm having a good day. You want to know why? Because I weighed in this morning after the first day of switching my macros back and of having Keto Chow. I weighed in this morning, and I am at an all-time new low. 227 exactly. I am curious to see what I will be at this weekend, because then I have more time to sleep and I fast longer, and then I weigh in, and I usually weigh less on the weekends than I do during the week because I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So that's really exciting. Very, very exciting, and it makes me feel good, and it makes me feel like I'm headed in the right direction. It's something I needed to boost my confidence in myself with all of that late snacking that I was doing. I always get a whoosh after my period as well, and it was a longer one than normal. Hate to talk about it, sorry, but for all you ladies out there, I get like a whoosh in weight and water weight. I noticed I peed a lot yesterday and then today, so I do think that it's gonna be even lower. Now, my last lowest recorded weight was 228 on the dot, and this morning I weighed in at 227 on the dot. I felt like I appeared thinner last night when I weighed myself before my shower, and I was at 228.6, and I was right. So I'm hoping tomorrow morning is another downward. I did really good on my new macros. I did not feel the urge to go into the kitchen and grab everything in sight. And so maybe that's what I needed. I needed more fat to keep me satiated and keep me from running in there constantly. I'm flabbergasted. I do want to mention, I posted on my community tab to comment on there if you are interested in joining the open collaboration to anybody. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. It doesn't matter if you haven't even started a channel and this is going to be your first video. That's completely fine. An open collab for the chaffle video. So comment there, and then I want to do it Friday the 13th, September. And that's when it will go live. I don't know the time yet. I'll figure out the time, probably like 6 p.m. or something. I don't know. And just make your favorite chaffle. We'll put it all in a playlist, and then it'll go out to the world. And I think it'll be really fun. So just do your favorite recipe, whatever. You can record it now if you want, and then save it for then. Or you can wait until then, whatever. Don't worry about like it being the best video ever. Just do you, be you, make the video, join it. It'll be great. It'll be fun. I know Erica Time to Shrink wants to join in. Keizu Keto wants to join in. There was a lot of people that were interested in doing it. I think it'll be really fun for everybody. So comment on there, let me know, and we'll get the ball rolling on that. As far as lunch goes, today I have the same exact thing as yesterday. This is chocolate Keto Chow. I'm almost out. I probably got like 4 more meals left of Keto Chow, to be honest. And highly considering just reordering some of the sample bags so I can have different flavors. But I flavored this with, again, the pumpkin praline pie skinny syrup. And this has 10 ounces of water and 4 ounces of unsweetened vanilla almond milk and 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. The heavy whipping cream that I used is 0 carbs. So essentially this is like 2 net carbs. There might might be at least one. I have to track it, but yeah. So I don't know. I've had 2 cups of coffee today. So that's another thing. My tumbler, my coffee tumbler is so little, right? So I usually drink this entire thing on my way to work, which my coffee was just, I don't even know what kind of coffee it was. I'm just trying to use up this generic coffee pods. And then I put the same skinny syrup that I used in this with some almond milk. That's all it was. I made 2 of them. So I drank the one on my way to work, and then when I got to work, I had my other tumbler, and I just finished drinking that. So, because usually by the time I get to work, I'm like still tired, and I could totally go for another cup of coffee. And I'm full of energy and feeling great. So I need to get a bigger tumbler for my coffee, because my one large tumbler I use for my like Ketorade or whatever you want to call it with my Soleil water. I use that for that. So I need to get another one, because I go into work like this. I'm like holding this and that, and then my coffee, and then another coffee. I need to like lower it down. I've rambled enough. I'm gonna drink my Keto Chow. I'm gonna watch some YouTube, and I will see you guys at dinner. Guys, it's 5:30. I got into town, just stopped at Farm and Family, or what is this? Farm and Home. I always call it Farm and Family. I just stopped at Farm and Home to get Link some dog food. There's only 2 places that sell his dog food in this town, and I always forget about this one. I hate going to the pet store to get it, because you have to cross the road, and crossing traffic is horrible. This is like whoop, 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 all the whoops. So that makes me happy. Dinner tonight is going to be the unstuffed cabbage. I'm excited to try that. I wanted to eat it yesterday, but then all the school stuff and it got a little hectic. I do have to stop and get some gas. But you guys, I am hoping that tomorrow is going to be an amazing morning, and I'm going to weigh in, and it's going to be even lower than 227. And then I'm just like, oh, I'm getting pumped right now, because I'm thinking about it, and I'm like, you're not that far away from being in Wonderland, okay? You're not that far. It's crazy to even think. Like, I just got teary-eyed. What the hell's wrong with me right now? Does that happen to anybody else? You get like, I would cry over a commercial sometimes. The dumbest things, I swear. Why would you? I hate people. I hate people that park like that. Now I can't even get to a pump. Oh, I hate people. You are so stupid. Like, I just need to get to a freaking pump to get some gas, and everybody wants to park stupid. This guy's like cleaning out his car. Can we not do that here? Oh my God. Some people. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some gas. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna leave it running. We're just gonna leave it running. That was longer than what I thought. 9 minutes later. I've had some pretty nice responses from, I put up my little Fresh Jax video, and I actually got like an email, and at first I was kind of confused, and I thought that the person thought that I made the spices and I was selling them, but it was from somebody who viewed my video. So and then they wanted to order some Fresh Jax, and they had copied me on the email for contacting Fresh Jax. So that was very kind. Did this stop? No. It was very kind of you. I'm so excited about that. And just all the comments on there, wishing me, you know, all the opportunities in the future. And that is, it was an amazing feeling to have a company reach out to me and ask me to make a video for them, and it's surreal, really. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Here's dinner. This is the unstuffed cabbage. Oh my god, it is so good. So good. It's like 300 grams. I gotta try to enter the recipe and then try to figure out so I can enter it into my Carb Manager and figure out how much this is that I'm eating. I did have a hard-boiled egg and then 10 of the old Wisconsin turkey bites. And I'm sitting pretty well. I have to, ooh, do you see that little fly? I have to go to Country Market and get some almond milk, and I'm gonna go wash my car, I think. So I'll update you soon. Oh, I thought this sign says murderers are banned and will be prosecuted. There we go. The reason I needed to go get a car wash so bad was when I got home. Well, first off, my car was filthy anyways. And I'm going to my boyfriend's tomorrow. And I just hate, like, going on a long drive and having a dirty car. And I'm bringing a table home. So the less dirt I can have in the car, the better. But I got home and I had all the cups in the world, you know. And I thought the lid was all the way on my Keto Chow, like the leftovers in there, but apparently not, because it poured all over my seat. Yeah. So I took it down to the car wash. I was gonna do the one that's literally right outside of my house, but it only accepts quarters, and the washing part was $4. You kidding me? And then another $1 for the sucking part. So this, the sucking part, the vacuum, my God, words, Nacine. The car wash down here, it used to only be $7. They raised the price. It's $9, and you can hand wash your car if you want, or you can go through the automated car wash. Automated? What is wrong with me? Automatic. Oh my God. Or you can go through the automatic car wash, and then there's the stations to vacuum, shampoo, and the air freshener spray outside after the car wash for $9. It would not take my card. That really pissed me off. I kept swiping my card. I swear to God, if I log into my bank and I have like 14 charges, I'll be so mad. I ended up paying cash. I never have cash, but I ended up having cash, so I paid it. And the car looks good now. It smells good, and I love that spray. I love it. I got the vanilla. They get vanilla or strawberry. Sometimes they have pina colada, but the vanilla was good. Oh, and now I have to go to Country Market because I have to get all the things that I said I had to get. And to be honest, I kind of want a little bit of ice cream. And I have plenty of room in my macros. I just wish we had better ice cream options. Like, yeah, we got Rebel, but I'm tired of those flavors. Like, I want Rebel to have a peanut butter chocolate peanut butter cup with stuff. Okay. I wish my Walmart sold those new chocolate chips, but I guess it's better that they don't right now, since I just got back on track and I don't really need to be like filling my house with that, because then I'll just like drink them. Like, I won't even chew them, I'll just swallow them. I'm not sure what I'm doing for lunch tomorrow. I'm trying to think about it now. Do I want to do Keto Chow again tomorrow, or do I want to bring on actual food? Oh, I actually don't need to bring anything. That's right. It's a coworker's birthday and we're having Jimmy John's, and so I'm gonna have an unwich, so I don't have to bring anything. That solves that problem. I am so excited about the truffle collab, you guys. So many people are interested in joining in on it, and I think it's absolutely okay. I'm going then. I think it's absolutely wonderful. I've wanted to do this for a long time, but I was like, no, nobody will want to do it. But I got like positive feedback from it, so I'm excited. I feel like today's video is just gonna be like me in my car like the entire day. Isn't that what most of my videos are? Me in my car the entire day. Somebody asked me what I do for work, because I'm always on lunch. But I'm not always on lunch. That's just the time that I film. I actually only get a 10-minute break at 9 a.m., a 30-minute lunch at 11:30, and the first one was a 15-minute break, and then a 10-minute break at 2:15. So that's actually the only breaks I have during the day. And I am a quality technician, gauge technician, quality team lead. I don't know what you want to call me. I'm all the things in the world of quality. We do like valve fittings and washers and just parts like that for mostly like John Deere and lawnmowers and weed whackers, but we do some for some types of vehicles. Like we do a Harley Davidson part. We do, I think we started doing something for a Silverado. We don't do a lot of automotive. It's mostly small appliances, but we do some. We do. And let me tell you, the ones with the cars are super important. And if you're from Michigan, you probably know all about it, because Michigan is like automotive everywhere you look. Hey guys, have you ever tried this? I look like a hot, like, look at me. Oh my god, my freaking eyeshadow is like coming off. Okay, anyways, I may have solved my coffee problems. Have you ever seen this stuff? Equal Cafe Creamers French Vanilla. It's 10 calories. A serving size is half a teaspoon. It is 0.5 total fat, less than a gram of carb, no protein, and it's sweetened with sucralose. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna bring this to work, and I'm gonna use this as my little, if I feel like needing a second cup of coffee. I also picked these up for $3.99. They were on sale. They're normally $6. These chocolate caramel brownie Eco Pods. I've never used an Eco Pod, but it says that they are for use in the Keurig. So that sounds so delicious though. Chocolate caramel brownie. Are you kidding me? Yes. Give it all to me. I want to drink it right now. I got peanut butter fudge, because it's the closest to the peanut buttery that I can get. So I'm going to go edit this video. I'm going to wait for my debut of my collaboration with the Goddess of Low Carb, and read some comments. I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog out though. So I hope you guys have a great night.